Hey guys, I'm showing you this Reemix milk frother. This is a Reemix 11.8 oz electric milk steamer, soft foam maker with large opening and 4-in-1 multifunction for hot and cold froth. So this is a automatic off and easy cleaning. I will show you this step by step. So you can see this is the manual. This is the cover. So this is a 11.8 oz or 350 ml for steaming milk and 5.1 oz 150 ml for frothing milk. So this is the base. And this one is the milk frother, where you will just put the milk and it will froth. So you can put in this electric switch, and there are buttons, and this is the main thing that will go into the port. So here, let me show you how this will look. So this is the lights going on. You press the button and this will come on the froth one. When you press the different functions, and the different frothing will start automatically. So this one is a nice thing to do, like if you want a barista like at home. And this one is like a variety of coffee beverages with milk. So I'm just putting in 1 cup of milk just for the demo thing. So the basic thing is you need to full, the minimum one is to up to the top of this one, and there is a maximum level as well. So just for the demo purpose I'm showing you this. And I just started for the milk frothing and cover this lid so that nothing will splash outside. This will take around 1-2 minutes. It will auto shut off, and you can just touch the button to switch between the mode and create types of fragrant milk froth whatever you want in 2 minutes. So this is almost the time. There is as you can see, there is no much noise for this machine, and it is pretty much silent. And here this is all done, and the machine will automatically stop, and now you can see the froth. It's a very rich, thick, creamy froth that becomes with this. As you can see, the froth is really nice, fluffy, and this looks really nice. See, it's like a fluffy, creamy froth that looks really nice and frothy. See, so this froth is really great and tastes really nice and lightweight. So this is very easy way to make a frothing. And the cleaning wise, like I just take out this part, clean this with water, and also clean up this and just wash it and wipe it. Yeah, and you can just put this part back. So cleaning is also very easy.